Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want Lovable to send data to any external tool, make Zapier, HubSpot, Slack, Google Sheets, Costume, APAs, CRMs, using webhooks is the most powerful integration method in 2026. Most webhook issues come from wrong URL, bad load mapping, missing headers, unpublished changes, or testing in preview mode. So we'll avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with webhooks in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, understand what a webhook does. Okay, so a webhook is simply Lovable sends data to a URL you choose. Example, user fills form on Lovable. Lovable sends email name message to your webhook URL. Your tool, Make or Zapier or API, receives it and runs automation. Webhooks are push, instant, not pull. Okay, so choose your webhook receiver. Okay, pick one destination. Popular webhook receivers like Make, Zapier, Google Apps, your backend webhooks site. Okay, so start with a testing receiver first if you are unsure. So now in Make, for example, scenario, go to webhooks, costume webhooks, and then create webhook, copy the URL. Okay, click in Lovable now, click your form, open actions, choose webhook, paste the webhook URL, and select the method. Okay, for example, post or application or JSON. So map fields you want to send email, name, message, and then tap save. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.